So here I have this Samsung Galaxy A11, and the problem, as you can see, uh, it is showing the USB is connected and disconnected. I will show this problem. You can see here the USB is connected and disconnected. USB connector disconnected and connected. So first of all we have to see from where this problem is coming. So first of all I will uh, unstrip the charging strip, because that's the only point where we interacted too much. So after disconnecting the charging strip from the main board, I will restart my phone and I will see if there is any changes. So as I told you earlier, the charging port is the only part of the phone where we interact, inserting chargers, some dust, uh, and water, moisturizing, and there are so many other things which can go inside the charging base, and it make that damage. So in this right now, the charging strip is disconnected from the main board, and we will see if the problem is solved. If the problem is solved, then we will continue the process. So now here you can see, let the phone start. So here you can see uh, there is no notification for the USB connector. See, so after disconnecting the charging strip, I found that this is the only thing which has the problem. So this may be the charging port individually, but changing it, if you have the ability to change complete charging strip, you can change it, because that is so easy, and the charging port changing is a bit harder. If I reconnect the charging port again, so the problem starts again. You can see here, see, USB connector disconnected and connected. So we will have to change, we have to replace this charging port. This is, if the availability is easy, then this is not pricey. For me, this cost me just $2 in my country. The equation is $2. So now after putting and connecting the new charging strip, we will see if we are having their problem, or we have solved their problem. And also I will show you uh, charging, connecting the charger, that it is properly connected and there is no problem at all. See, we have that notification is no more. Now I will connect the charger, so you will see I have connected the charger and there is no notification of USB connecting disconnecting.